That's why you protected Haji Chigongo, because of seniority. But now you are saying, Rebecca Kadaga, you get out. Really? Your Excellency, I find this unacceptable. I'm not going to take any other position. I'm the incumbent, and I say this is my position until I'm voted out. I have been a member of this party since inception. I started as the chairman of LC1 in 1999 in my village in Buramuti. I moved to LC2, or the National Resistance Council. I've never been to any other party. So all my life, I've been a member of NRM. When you are filling the form, expression of interest, you are asked, what have you done for the NRM the last 10 years? Those are the guidelines. We have not changed them. The person aspiring to this office has only worked for 3 years for the NRM. Whether she was doing work independent, that's your business. But for the NRM, she has only worked for 3 years. That just a few years ago, I was publicly humiliated in this country. Publicly humiliated the way I was removed from the office of the Speaker. I took it in good stride, continued doing my work. But I'm being followed. How much more can you press an individual?
Right Honorable Kadaga needs to correct the idea that anybody is hunting her. Because there's nobody who's hunting you. Because that's what she said, that somebody was hunting her. This is not correct. And also, it is not correct for you to try to involve my people, the Basoga. To try to give the impression that if it's not you, if not you, Basoga are not there. This is not correct. And I have had references to that issue, but I keep quiet. I am a man who keeps quiet. I am the one who revenged